I decided to use Mendeley as an annotating tool for this assignment. Mendeley is a helpful tool for writing research papers, and it helps with organization. It allows you to annotate any file that you would like. It's super simple. To save a file to Mendeley, all you have to do is click the Mendeley icon, and then it automatically fills in any bibliographical information, and you can edit that information, and then you just save it. Then if you come back, here, this is where all the files are saved to, and then you can click any file, and then here you can see that information again and make changes to the information. And then you can make highlights to any important information using the highlighter, or you can make notes using the sticky note, and you can also make notes in the general notes section. Here I have screenshots of all the other PDFs where I made highlights and annotations. And then this is how you make a citation. It's super simple. Using Mendeley, all you have to do is press insert citation, and then you search any file that you want to insert, and then you would press OK. And I did that for each PDF file. And then I already have my bibliography here, but you would just press insert.